Today topic: draw a circle on paper. Take a point P inside. First case is P inside. Second case is on the line, on the circle. Third case, P on the outside. So now discuss about there is a how to make tangent or not. So first one is draw the circle on the paper. Take a point P on inside. P on inside. So can you draw tangent to the circle through the point? You will find how many tangents can make or not. Any possible? Can you discuss? There is no tangent. Already draw the 3 lines in the circle. These are called to secant because the lines will touch only 2 points. It's called secant. So there is the no tangent. So there is no tangent to a circle passing through a point lying inside the circle. First case is no tangent. Because inside the circle, inside the point, circle inside the point, no tangent, first one. And second one. Second one is the circle on the point can make one line. This is the called tangent. So there is one and only one tangent make the on the point or circle. So there is one and only one tangent to make circle passing through the point lying on circle. Next, final case, third case. Now discuss circle make and point P out of the point, circle out of the circle. The point is out of the circle. Now T1 and T2. There are exactly 2 tangents. 2 tangents make. So there are exactly 2 tangents to a circle through the point lying outside the point. This is the third case. So once again, what are discussed now? How to make tangents. The circle, case 1 circle inside the point, no tangent. Outside the point, 2 tangents. And the circle on the point, 1 tangent. So in the circle, no tangent. No make tangent. On circle on the point, make 1 tangent. Out of the point, make 2 tangents. This is the circle's very basic points. This is using in problems, using in circle problems, and basic points can apply the theorems also. So this is the very important. The tangent value in the point circle, no. On the point, only 1. Out of the point, 2, making 2 tangent. So this is remember. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe SIMS.